This is TS. Today we will go through how to convert an MKV file to mp4. On your computer in Google Chrome, type in the search bar .mkv to mp4 online converter. Prefer using Cloud Convert. It is one of the best free and reliable sources. After it loads, click on Select File, which will open your computer's file manager. From here, select the MKV video you would like to convert to mp4 and then hit Convert. Now this website takes about 30 seconds or so to upload and process your file. This time also depends on your file size. Once this is complete, you can immediately watch your mp4 video, or you can download it into a folder, which is what I will do. And if you check the file's properties, you can see that it is an mp4 file. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. TS out.